Middleborough, Mass.
Second qualifying event.
Number 8 from Middleborough, Mass.
Here comes the number 31, that is Frederick Robitaille with his second car. He's out of Peabody. And we have car number 55, that's Nate Grant from Warwick.
Nice.
And it says on the side of that car, driver is off his meds. All right, here comes the 34. That is going to be James Deneen from Taunton. Then we have car number 64. That's Jason Finkbein from Dalton.
Wow, that's far.
So the only car we're missing is the 00, I believe, should be on its way, and that should be Dante Lucio out of Bedford with the 00. Things got to be off the wall and behind it, please.
00
and
is not here.
Appreciate your cooperation with that. All right, so we've got space to fill here in the championship feature event for the last two left moving and making contact in this one. Drivers, make sure your helmets and your seatbelts are tight and secure. Avoid the hits in the driver's door. We're going to count down from 10 to the word go and get it started one more time. So let's get after it. 10, 9,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
go! Aw, that was so nice. Little tappy taps to start with.
Little
Believe
tap.
me, this will pick up just like that.
Driver's door. Driver's door.
And hit
That's terrible.
64 fixes up over there.
The whiplash.
The gate already looks shorter than it used to. And there's another bumper cover.
No driver's door.
The 34 doing the front end of the 55, 64 get into the mix. The 8 is swinging a miss. Richard
Five's getting hit bad. Oh, wow. Look, wow.
31 finds the 34. The 55 is already.
Oh, tire. Blew tire out.
The 8 to the 64 mixes it up. There goes another barricade getting knocked around.
Metal.
There, hold on to take the 34 for a minute. They get the separation.
Eight's looking great.
34.
Eight's not doing great.
Chasing each other. 31 and 8 chasing each other here. So we're down to 4 cars left moving and grooving.
Whoa, wow. Whoa.
34 right in the schnoz. Courtesy of the business end of the 64.
34 has a solid steel bumper.
On the 31.
I'm just telling you.
And the 34 got the right idea, trying to bury the 8 over there in the corner.
Yeah, he does.
64 mixes up here, Jason
That's
Finkbein.
solid steel frame, I'm just saying.
He's going to sweep around the far side. Oh, that's smart. That was a smart move right there. He didn't want to come around that corner blind, but
3 cars down, wow.
Wind up getting green, so he backed off. And now let's see if the 8 and the 31 can continue moving and they can contact
I don't know.
cars besides each other. And that'll do it, ladies and gentlemen. That's it.
Smell that gasoline.
All right, so the 34 of James Deneen out of Taunton and the 64 of Jason Finkbein out of Dalton are the 2 drivers that are going to move on. As it looks like the 31 of Robitaille and the 8 Johnson hooked together, they'll have to get themselves separated, but the good news is those cars should be good for the last chance event, so they will have one more opportunity to get out and qualify.
This was race 2. Race 3 coming up. Watch it, please. Race 3 coming up.